Well, I'm going to do a video today on the difference between... Oh, hey, Double Dog.
What's going on?
What you got?
Donuts.
Donuts?
Yeah, it's National Donut Day.
It's National Donut Day?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, you got sprinkles in there?
There are sprinkles. Customers, though. Not for you.
Sprinkles. No. The sprinkles. What the heck? Cat! How could you... Oh! I can't believe that cat ate all of the sprinkles. How did she even get there before I did? Look, that's all the sprinkles that's left.
You're lucky you're even getting that. You gonna do this video or what?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm ready.
No, go wash your hands.
Well...
You touch donuts, go wash your hands.
Oh, I am so mad at that cat. I can't believe she got those sprinkled donuts before me. Oh, the cat. Why don't you get Employee of the Month to help you do your video?
It's your video.
Oh, it's my video. Oh, that's right, it's my video. Well, will you help me?
Yes, I will help you.
Okay, thank you. So, what's the point of the video?
I thought you were doing a difference between the Inkosi and the Sebenza.
Okay. Well, we'll need an Inkosi and a Sebenza then.
What do you think's sitting right there?
Look, I am the local expert here on Reeve knives.
Look down. Inkosi, Sebenza.
Oh. Oh, yeah. I can see the lanyards are different. All right, so... Got me on that one. Hi, it's Handson for EDC Specialties. Hey, listen, even if your handpappy taught you how to sharpen your own knife when you were a kid, then you still need professional knife sharpening services once in a while. We have a wicked edge system, and we can touch up your blade for only $10 or reprofile it for $20. Custom angles, any way you like it, slicey or choppy. Okay, back to the knives. This also has a larger, what do you call that thing there?
Oversized pivot.
Yes. Oversized pivot, I told you. They drilled a hole in this one.
Why?
Oh, it's skeletonized to make it lighter.
The Sebenza is the model that they do the inlays and the graphics on, and the Kobochons.
No, thank you, I already had lunch. Hi, Handson here for EDC Specialties, and I wanted to remind you that next weekend is Father's Day, and when you buy a $100 gift card for EDC Specialties this week, you will receive a free bag of EDC coffee. Whoa, what a deal, while supplies last. Okay, so the difference is on the lock side. This one is missing a nipple.
It's a thumb stud, and it's not missing. They just didn't put one there.
It looks like a nipple.
Thumb stud.
Okay. Let's see. They put the pocket clip on that one crooked.
It's not put on crooked.
It looks crooked. Look, the Sebenza is straight.
You notice that there's a recessed pocket clip hole cut there?
Yes, I went to school for Reeve knives.
Then you would know that he machined it so that it would sit that way. It's not put on crooked. It's designed to be that way.
Okay. What else?
So they both have the same blade.
Yes, this one's a little bit bigger.
Okay. What else do you notice?
And it's longer. It has a longer beak. It's like there's a big chunk taken out of that one. Somebody messed up, huh?
Or maybe it's cut on purpose like that?
Oh, for a survivor rod? Oh. Yes, you can make a fire with that, and you put your survivor rod in there, you scrape it on the stone, scrape it on the stone.
All right.
And then it will be fire.
What else do you notice about the back of those? The spine?
Oh, the hemping is a little bit different.
The what?
The hemping.
Jimping?
Oh, my friend Jose told me.
What else do you notice about the spine?
Oh, well, the hemping is a little bit different.
What?
The hemping, it's these grooves that they cut up here for your...
Jimping. Jimping.
And my friend Jose told me it was called hemping.
Jimping.
I will ask him about it, but I'm pretty sure he's gonna say it's hemping.
Because they don't have a J, so it's jimping.
Moving on.
You know what, Handson? You obviously don't know what it is you're talking about with these knives. Yeah, that's right. I said it. So I'm going to put these away and you go do something else. Go pick a fight with the cat or something.
Excuse me, but you forgot something before you put those away?
Yeah, what did I forget?
You forgot that the Inkosi actually has a ceramic ball that is implanted into the lock bar, and it provides the interface between the blade tang and the titanium lock bar.